again. So today we will conduct our experiment, which is disintegration test. So the objective of this experiment is to determine the compliance within limits of disintegration state in the individual monograph. So this experiment is performed as a pharmacopoeial standard, and it is to measure the quality of oral dosage form like capsule or tablet, and it is performed to find out the time it takes for an oral dosage to solid oral dosage to disintegrate in our body. So the time of disintegration will measure its quality of the tablet, and if the disintegration time is too long, it means that the tablet had not reached the quality that it needed actually, and it will indicate that it has maybe inconsistency and maybe lack of batch uniformity. So the disintegration is acceptable when there is no palpable core at the end of the cycle, and if the mass doesn't stick to the immersion disk. So let us proceed to the experiment. That's all.
The material that we use in this experiment is disintegration system machine. Okay, next we use distilled water at 900 milliliter. Okay, the third material that we use is Panadol soluble as effervescent tablet, and Panadol paracetamol as uncoated tablet.
First, fill 900 ml of beaker with the distilled water. Next, introduce tablet in station 1 and station 2. Then press the start pause to start the experiment.
This is the final result that we have obtained. Okay, this is uncoated, and this is one is effervescent tablet after we have done the disintegration test. So what we have discussed from here, so as we know that according to the theory, the assumed time that for uncoated tablet to disintegrate is lesser than 15 minutes, while for effervescent tablet is lesser than 3 minutes. But from what we have obtained, our result was what we have obtained from our result is uncoated tablet dissolved in within lesser than 4 minutes, while for effervescent tablet it was dissolved in lesser than 3 minutes. So the factors that
temperature and also the time. So the time for, as we all know, as I mentioned before, that the time for uncoated tablet is lesser than from the theory, but for effervescent it is according to the theory. And for media, why we use water is because both compressed, I mean like uncoated tablet is a compressed tablet, so a compressed tablet consists of granules, while for effervescent tablet it's a compressed tablet, I mean it's a compressed tablet of granules where it mixed with water to produce salt and then vapor I guess. Okay, as we look at temperature, it has been stated that it is plus minus of 37 degrees Celsius, where the normal body temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. So the plus minus is when one is not feeling well, whether he is having low body temperature or high body temperature. That's how these kind of tablets will react to our body and producing the therapeutical effect. So that's all we have discussed. Thank you. Okay, as we have concluded that the experiment was successful because according to the theory that for uncoated tablet, the disintegration test occurs lesser than 15 minutes, and for effervescent test, the disintegration test occurs lesser than 3 minutes, and we have achieved that. So we like to conclude that this experiment is success, and this is how the tablet is disintegrated in our body and gives a therapeutical effect to our body. Thank you.